unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
You can usually first feel your baby's hiccups between 18 and 25 weeks of pregnancy. These tiny, rhythmic movements come from your baby's diaphragm contracting and feel different from kicks or flutters. Hiccups are a healthy, normal sign of development and may become more noticeable as your baby grows and you become more sensitive to movement.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.